Hey Math Wizards, it's Miss Kanji here. I just wanted to create a video to introduce you to a new strategy that we're going to be practicing and working on, and it's called the box strategy, and we can use it in division when our numbers are becoming a little bit bigger to divide by. We've been working on using multiplication, right, to help us with our division. So as you can see here, 51 divided by 3 equals blank. You could also think about it as 3 times what number, blank, equals 51. The problem is that I still am not sure 3 times what would be 51. So this is where the box model strategy is going to be coming in handy. So what you're going to do for the box model is create a box. After you create the box, you're going to take your divisor, your smaller number, and you're going to put it on the side here. So 3 is going to go on the side, and then you're going to take your dividend, your bigger number, 51, and you're just going to put it right in the box. And then you're going to also put a little times sign, multiplication sign, right at the corner, because we are still going to be using a lot of multiplication to get to our answer. So you still need to know your multiplication facts to get to your final division answer. So you can also just close off your box with a line because you're just going to be working in this little box right now. So we still need to figure out this 3 times what number is close to 51. That's still what we're doing, except we're just going to take it piece by piece. So I'm going to start thinking with my favorite number 10. I'm going to be using multiples of 10, 10, 20, 30 to really figure this out. So if I say 3 times 10, which I know is 30, that's getting pretty close to 51. And then if I go jump to 3 times 20, I know that's 60. And that's too big, right? I can't have it go more than 51. It has to be either 51 exactly or less than 51. So you know what? I'm going to stick with the 3 times 10 is 30. And I'm going to take this 10, I'm going to put it right up here. 3 times 10 is 30. And then I'm going to subtract these two numbers. I have 1 minus 0 is 1. 5 minus 3 is 2. So I'm left with 21. And I'm going to take that 21 straight up here, and I'm going to do the exact same step again of asking myself 3 times what number is 21? Oh, well, I already know 3 times 7 is 21. So I'm going to use that. I'm going to use 3 times 7, put that 7 up here. 3 times 7 is 21. And if I subtract, I'm left with 0 down here. When I have 0 left, I know I'm finished. So now I got to figure out where my answer is. So these numbers on top here, we're going to be adding them up. Every time we add a new box, we're adding it up. So I have 10 plus 7, 10 plus 7, which equals 17. So that's my final answer. 51 divided by 3 is equal to 17. And again, 3 times 17 is equal to 51. So the magic number here is 17. So what we did here was we create a box, and we are still trying to figure out 3 times what number is 51. We just took it piece by piece. First we did 3 times 10, which we knew was 30. We had 21 left over, and then we said 3 times 7 is 21. And we were left with 0, so we were finished. Then we just take the 10 plus the 7, and that's where the 17 comes from. So this is just, the box model is just one strategy, one way to figure out these division problems when your numbers are getting a little bit bigger. We're going to do lots more practice with it, so I hope this video was helpful.